Exciting news, guys. We and our partner Jtech put our heads together to come up with a trade-in program to get the newest laser we offer, the 44 watt Octo Pro. If you purchase the 7 watt, 14 watt, or 24 watt laser for your Onefinity CNC through our website, you can trade it in for $250 toward the cost of the 44 watt model. Here's how it works. As with any trade-in we offer, it's done through the Infinite Possibilities program. Visit us at onefinitycnc.com and fill out the Infinite Possibilities program form. That's just so we can verify your order and that what you're trading in you actually got from our website and not like a garage sale or something. Once approved, you'll have access to the Infinite Possibilities purchase page. There you'll see the laser upgrade at a $250 discount. When you receive that, it'll come with a shipping label to send your old laser straight back to Jtech. And what are they going to do with all those lasers? Well, it's not really our business, is it? Nah, I'm just kidding. It's probably a death ray or something. So that's it. Trade in your 7, 14, or 24 watt laser. Get the ultra powerful 44 watt Octo Pro. You'll be glad you did.